Hi, and welcome back to the MnREIA. In today's property walkthrough tip, we're going to go over a quick tip on rehabbing during the winter. Rehabbing in winter is already difficult enough, but trying to figure out if you need to replace the roof or not can be an extra challenge because you can't always see it. Mike has a great winter tip for rehabbing and determining whether or not you should replace the roof. Let's hand it over to him and see what he has to say.
Same thing with roofs. You know how many times I've looked at houses in the past, looked at houses in the winter months, and you look at the edges and they look just fine. And you're like, yeah, they'll be fine. And then the spring, the snow melts, and then you see all the damage. So just go with whatever your first gut is at that time. Like in the winter months, if I can't see the roof, I just plan on replacing it no matter what. It's just because every time I've said, no, I don't need it, I've ended up having to replace the roof on the house. Every time. When I said no, and because I can't see it because of snow or whatever. So just always plan on doing that.
As you can see, Mike talked about how he always plans on replacing the roof during a winter rehab, because he said every single time he hasn't, he's had to replace the roof anyway. It's always best to be careful and add that extra buffer inside your rehab budget, just in case something goes wrong or you find out you actually need to replace something you factored not to replace. If you guys thought this tip was helpful, please share with someone who might need this information, and we'll see you guys next week.